Hi friends, welcome back to EXCELMAP. This is Srinivas Reddy. In this video, we'll discuss very important functions in the Excel called Networkdays and Networkdays.INTL. First, we'll see what is Networkdays. Returns the number of whole workdays between the two dates. That means in between two dates, how many working days are. We can calculate that working days. First, here just I'm taking two dates, starting date and ending date. For this starting and ending date, we need to calculate the number of working days. First, we are using a function called network days is equal to network days. Just look at the arguments. First, it is asking start date, then end date and holidays. That holidays are optional. That's why it is showing inside the square brackets. First, we'll select the start date, comma, select the end date, then bracket close, press enter. Look at there. There are total number of 262 working days are there. That means excluding Saturdays and Sundays, we have the days from Monday to Friday, total 262. So that is why just we are using this function network days to calculate the number of working days between these two dates. But here in between the period, in case if you have taken any leaves, that means sick leaves and personal leaves or else any function leaves, those leaves also you must exclude from these working days. For that, just I'm placing those holidays here. These holidays are from Monday to Friday only. First, we'll check whether it is Monday to Friday or not by using a function called text, select comma ddd, then bracket close, enter, drag it. See, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There is no Saturday, Sunday because already we excluded Saturdays and Sundays between these two dates. Now just delete this. Here just comma holidays. You can select these holidays. 262 minus 5, total 257 working days between these two dates. Otherwise, just we can assign the name also. Select this, go to the formulas, go to create from selection, select to top row. Okay, that top row holidays becomes the name for this range. Now no need to select the range, directly you can give the name holidays because already we created a defined name for this start date comma end date comma holidays. Now you got the same result, that is 257. This is how the network days function is working, but completely it is based on the US calendar. That means the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. But in case if you wanted to select the weekend, that is Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, or else if there is a weekend only one day, either Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, then it is not possible to use this function network days. For that we are going to use networkdays.intl. INTL means international. First is equal to networkdays.intl. See here, there is a start date, end date, there is extra argument called weekend. That means you can choose the weekend, which weekend you required. First select the start date, comma, end date, till this same, then comma. From this you can choose which weekend you need. Here just I'm selecting only Sunday is the weekend, then you can type 11, comma, same as easily you can select the holidays, or else already we create a defined name. That name is called holidays. Just you can type holidays, bracket close, enter. See, previously it was 257, now it is 309. Why? Because in the previous one we used network days. There we used Saturdays and Sundays are weekend. We excluded Saturdays and Sundays, but here only the Sunday because we selected weekend by using networkdays.intl function. So here the weekend is the main difference between these network days and networkdays.intl functions. Friends, this is the way you can calculate the number of working days between two dates. Either we can use network days or else networkdays.intl also. Thank you friends. Please like this video and please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon also to get the notifications.